the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase ye pe wo wiase ya asondin. Asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no. Wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade. Cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura
every year for me ma obibia akwa ba de but too much it munia ba mercy call and I made in somewhat say aji go and circulate one my mo ever be so in name say yes 7th December election no just say abenya ka days na ye dey ashisha so na prophecies bebre na aba found say a year seat in the pan there a year MPP aban just say your president what so the dan is SMS na do dan kwa one lebe obesafa eye abunyani bimden no e manipa bebre e kire wo madwe na eye mame a wono no so all aspire for eye presidential seat no eye madam Ekuadonko e de nation bi aba betudwa e wo eye Accra base Onia FM interview a che woman no enya na nsem ni bia wodi tu dwane say ye nti ya wonya ni say ye MPP a president a wote sui obenya obegwini election ya ebe kwosui by 51.7%. Na so enti sa wonu madam Ekuadonko no a woda freedom Ghana Freedom Party no wonu na obeye winner. Na de nti a wo kire nsem musa no any saying or say one the number 5 now what that's what ballot one a lucky number palm there are multiple victories as I say sir a number 5 you know yes peli Jesus a 5 a year alphabet who kind what a year numbers most way 5 and teachers say Jesus we need there now one no a year madam Ekuadonko or no na a befa abana ensiwa was a canon some be at what to say eye Bible mu eye Goliath ni David story no eye David or the ebo baku 5 ene kum Goliath na enu kra kire se victory a ebe kwosui che se nya kra sidida that means eye election ya ebe days enche na edu no ye encounter or no eye madam Ekuadonko wonu na ebe fa eye presidential senator for insem nchire mu wo ntimi twa no aba na me abeso Mema obibia akwa babim ena masem aye mame e dey abetu dwe say a year 7 December 2020 election wonu na be fenam ne position awada e wo ballot paper so therefore abama to me say friend sister ben some be come on na nie ensem yembobo mo fa mani endi echi mini aba awon fe obroni me ma wakaba now to say Yami adome so me ho ye pa na mini aba wo hwe eye to say election aka few days near that sheshe so obi eni abre in name say parties a do na follow MPP NDC na ye mami so dey say abetu jase ono ballot paper na keke na oda so fet no che say yen senche na victory eno wa den twa wo anything
yedi kai me da wa hwefo ase na Ekuadonko no
yeah mami
ai ya mami Ekuadonko number 5 no ka say oda number 5 ni nti na tre say obe win no eno dey fan kasem and they say Jesus did nie spell no 5 letter words nti no then no just apen so me ni be bia o kan the Bible e bia no no any different Bible and say bia different translation no actual no na party members actual tre say David
or the stones 5
and the Goliath the man say you can in na dey fan casting so I say e bia asema like when it does what over Emma or man so who be vinia and no and never trace oh nkurɔfo dodoɔ sɛ bɛyɛ dɛ vote ama wo anaasɛ wo vote ma ɛnyɛ sɛ woda number 5 sɛ woyɛ sɛ nti no woapredict ama wo ara sɛ wobɛyɛ dɛ wobɛwini de bi da ɛneɛ nka sɛ nkɛ bɛka sɛ Nana Addo so mmerɛ bi na ɔno nso standeɛ ana ɔbɛluziɛ saa time na ɔno nso da a different number ɛnɛ da bi anim sɛ school kɔ mu koraa ne ɔda number 1 bi a na ɛyɛ first nti yɛbɛka sɛ ɛneɛ
Nana mo na befa.
now so they be that you understand it what me can say if I say number Lord them Jesus yes but the 5 now Goliath yeah the 5 or the 5 stones they the 5 stones they cook Goliath you know obey the baby you know they want to be fantastic
Intimity wa wo ba che se ni dwumedie ye dwumedie ni wa na mo ntuo bi a che se wo de betu dwa na be ma show say wo be fa na wo fa na mo enye ballot paper so number wo da any ready nti ba che se Nana Addo that one any NDC ex-president John Dramani Mahama I want also that too no ebetimi aba say enye Nana de be wini na John ele betumi aka enti just number ne dia kan found be dia na mami o ya reference bi so kan say emre bi atwam 2016 na NPP president what is new patriotic party the penny what is to say is excellence Nana Addo dan kwa no what the ballot paper so that 5 and as am ready mo so no ye den what the win enti sa incident ni mpo kire se ye mami o pa to say sa incident ni mpo hye ni moral say fa no be fa
say no be kai na say dada na me say enye baby oda no e na be kire say obewini na mo ni dae like plans or woman no say bi owini a plans or woman no e no na be kire say oh e bia ye no ye de because me say Ghana for no dodo na e complain so about NPP ni NDC omunya ya ko mbesese na mom wo plan a wo de beba board na be kire say ye vote ma ana say de bi me vote ma na wo de we de we fan ka
nyawo rephrase a one ma say Nana Addo ni ye wo mra wo da sa number no wo ballot paper no so ne de no de wo pa che say yembungu
kra na Jesus ni Goliath dia kra me say yembungu
na wo nji ni say ye mami we di djuma wase ana ye se oni frɛ ni beto boa na ne na si bibi so susu se bia ye mami wa bo adwuma wase ana wa bo adwuma bia me no mienu na ye hu ni dwumadie ye but the nice bibi so nti na wo ka say sa 51% 51.7% no no obenya no
say the nice bibi so a December 7th and a veteran say you ampa asamo kai no enya bem but say enya no dia American say we all live to see we are all living to see that
na me aba say mami we di dwumadie bi a betumi ama ne di aba no susu so betumi nya ni straightforward I be surprise Ghana
surprise the betumi aba but yes say onya ni straightforward the best surprise Ghana indeed but then they understand now or they castle the baby oh no
they betumi na possible say aba no beti eni betumi adane every year MPP ni and you so mo do so go nyina Africa mo ene convention people's party yenim say mami die we so kan National Democratic Congress NDC for omo twin party omo nyina wo ho na unsusu say ebetimi a surprise say ni aye pre-cra ka say NDC benya 51.7% MPP like omo mienu no sa percentage because I saw people now professor about NPP and NDC ebetimi a surprise say ni da krampo and na che say betimi afa banana sit
ebetimi aba na
e wo Ghana ha
ebetimi aba no very say as a country be ko bia e2 so what I say the betimi aba say things will change because Ghana man when me find citizens no do now complain say o ma bre NPP ni NDC until you can say change in betimi happen ni nyina be depending on the other party no so what I say e bia na wunya njina unyambe di omano so ye but wo nyema bi a waye aboa certain constituency bi anampo say plans bi a wo de ba beto board eno ene be maye dem your vote amount. There is a possibility say things will change. 7th December the short but miracle the it's missing at any time. So I guess
You
there is a
and
possibility.
Ghana Freedom Party. Just say, yeah, mommy down. Just no assurance no. Or assurance ne pa say, election ye be kosui. One na obefa. Na enu so no. Then I war e de ka found because ye they are no see no. Na afin so ni akaka wo ka found. No na fatu dia na afi wo de futu obi anso a time election one year na we futu obi a wo ma e ti be before so wo de atudwa.
Yeah, Mecca actually mama say ni way ne stand original so say obebi ni ombungu na onfa ne plans a owo ema oma no enye de emfa betudwa afi so ne Mecca chere ye na ye kwako vote ni say ye do honoma ye wu say Ghana ye nyina ye dia na ye nyina ye pre asumdwe nti ye do honoma omo a recently this special voting on go vote here we say among for to pictures na omo dey abeto yes na emboa wankasa yes na you are not safe so at yes who declare say we na kwako here go vote man e bia na wo tamfo bi wo ha on person particular party na mutu abe bi etia unti na mesere ni say omunya hwe yi wo omo kwama omo nye saa de na afenzo omo kwa COVID-19 protocol na aye observe no omo be make sure say ombe observe omo to abani wi a na ebe hia so be ne say omo free hono mo omo njina wa ankosi se obi a beto awi na mo free obi bi wo kwa wo pese oyi wo fi a wakwa akoye afi wo wi a 5 o'clock ne beba review afi wo wi a 5 o'clock no ide no abetie review na bana mabobbo so no abetie baby no rini ewo baby awo to here but until then unya to di area a friend say for your own safety any asumdue nti no ide we free hono na wakofi akoye ne abese na bi kra be de be bo body
Say
so baby bi na abe hagi
you ete for me ye niaba Bennett na ejitwen komo na me didi se wa fa wudi wa kasa fine pa se na esi tie bia wa dwen kire ehun behia ja wa dwen kire eto ye comment section won e fa mai afi so won subscribe ya bon mo dia ne tu sana mo no se too much everyday message me dia bi e betu mo so sa e betumi akabi na dani dai won jumeku a wo so ya sin mama Juliet Ventures oba wo pese wo kitchen ewo eye ni kana fen so rawan che bia na to say wo pie sanse nia wo ye nyina ewo wo dia bo mo dia from mama Juliet number no ye delivering 24/7 afi loan master Emma loan within 24 hours ye yani say wo ye juma ewo Ghana ha e na wo ye government worker na afi so mo rate die da form kra loan master na won bo amounya urgent money for urgent project and then so muni aba mercy kana minimum ebedi in town aha and I'm the mo besi that's na e besa Asia maka